another trick when you're doing your sanding work is sanding is it's a patient job, and you're basically doing all of painting work is like 90% of it's prep work, and the rest of it, 10% of it, is the actual spraying. And let me give you an example of what you'll see if you're not careful. I have a piece over here that, and this is another trick I guess I can tell you about. This is a battery cover, and if you'll notice, right down here in the bottom you see a square, which is, this is where the original decal was. Shit. Let me get something here to fix this. I hope that the camera can show you this. But this is where the original decal was. And you can see it goes from here to here, all the way over to here, up in here. I don't know if you can see the ghosting of it that well. But if you don't get everything absolutely perfect, you're going to have ghosting like that. Now, that's not a big problem. But what the trick of the day is this, is that suppose you have, well, I don't have anything over here. Suppose you have a decal on here, okay? It says Hayabusa or whatever, or pinstripes. They call them coach stripes in Europe. I didn't know that. But if you go and take off your decal or take off your pinstripes or coach stripes, you can almost, see, you can see that right there. Let's see if we can, you can get everything right down to bare metal, okay? Put on new primer, everything. Damn it.